Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use LinkedIn to enhance your childcare business operations. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that can help you connect with potential employees, post job openings, and build a professional presence for your childcare business. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of LinkedIn, how to create a business page, connect with potential employees, post job openings, and utilize the other relevant features. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of LinkedIn, how to create a business page, how to connect with potential employees, posting job openings, and other useful features and functions. Let's start with the basics. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows individuals and businesses to connect, share content, and find job opportunities. To get started, visit linkedin.com and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see a homepage feed where you can view updates from your connections and businesses that you follow. The top menu bar includes options for your profile, your network, jobs, messages, and notifications. One of the key features on LinkedIn is your profile, which serves as your professional resume. It's important to keep your profile updated with your current position, skills, education, and experiences to make meaningful connections. For childcare providers, you can showcase your expertise, certifications, and any special programs that you offer. This not only attracts potential employees, but also builds trust with parents and the community. Creating a business page on LinkedIn helps establish your childcare center's online presence. To create a business page, click on the For Business icon at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage and select Create a Company Page. From here, select Company and fill in your business name and other required details. Upload your business logo and a cover image to make your page visually appealing. Add a tagline or a description that clearly explains your services, values, and what sets your childcare center apart. Don't forget to include important details like your website, industry, and organization size and type. Once you create your page, you'll be able to add your location, contact information, and other details that ensures that anyone visiting your page has all the necessary information to reach out to you. Additionally, you can highlight any awards or recognitions your center has received, which adds credibility to your business. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Create Page to publish your business page. Connecting with potential employees on LinkedIn can help you find qualified candidates for your childcare center. Start by building your network. Use the search bar at the top of the LinkedIn homepage to find individuals in the childcare industry. You can search by job titles such as childcare provider or preschool teacher. Click on their profile and then click Connect. If you'd like, you can add a personalized message introducing yourself and explaining why you'd like to connect. For example, mention your childcare center and how you think they could be a great fit for your team. Building a strong network can help you find the right candidates for your job openings. You can also join relevant LinkedIn groups and participate in discussions to expand your network further. Connect with peers, families of the children in your care, industry experts, and even family members to expand your network. Posting job openings on LinkedIn is an effective way to reach potential employees. To post a job, go to your business page and click on the Jobs tab. Click Post a Free Job. Fill in the job title, company, location, and job type. Add a detailed job description, including the responsibilities, qualifications, and benefits of the position. Be specific about what you're looking for in a candidate. For example, if you need someone with experience in early childhood education, include that in the job requirements. You can also add screening questions to help filter applicants. For example, ask about their experience with specific age groups or any certifications they hold. Once you've completed all fields, click Post Job for free. Your job opening will be visible to LinkedIn users, and you can manage applications directly from your business page. LinkedIn offers content sharing. Regularly share updates, articles, and posts about your childcare center to engage with your network and attract potential employees. Use the post option on your business page to share content. Share success stories, special events, or any new programs you're offering to keep your audience engaged. Join and participate in LinkedIn groups related to childcare and early education. When you search something in the search bar, you have the option to filter by groups. Joining these groups can help you stay updated on industry trends, connect with other professionals, and share your expertise. Groups can also be a valuable resource for finding potential employees and learning best practices. Ask your current and past employees, as well as satisfied parents, to write recommendations and endorse your skills on LinkedIn. This adds credibility to your profile and business page. Endorsements for skills like early childhood education or childcare management can make your profile more attractive to potential hires. You can use LinkedIn's analytic tools to track the performance of your posts, job openings, and overall page engagement. This can help you understand what content resonates with your audience and optimizes your strategy accordingly. You can see things like post views, clicks, and engagement rates, which provide insights into your audience's interest. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for childcare business owners. It helps you build a professional network, connect with potential employees, post job openings, and share valuable content. By creating a business page and actively engaging on LinkedIn, you can enhance your recruitment efforts and establish a strong online presence for your childcare center. Give LinkedIn a try and see how it can benefit your business.